Alright, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to make the little purses out of them. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick up both ends. Going to bring them together. Take this corner like so, and just push it. Squeeze them nice and tight so that it's like glue, it'll adhere. You don't want to have any openings because when you deep fry it, all your stuffing will come out if it's open. Just make a nice little purse like that, and that's it. We'll set them down here. We'll continue making the rest of them, and then we'll be ready to deep fry. Once again, you just want to make sure that all your ends are sealed. It's kind of like pasta. It'll just stick to itself. It's a great little appetizer for Super Bowl's coming up. It's good for that. It's good for the holidays. There we go. Alright, I'm going to finish doing the rest of these, and we'll deep fry them when we get back.